Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue. I'm Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma and this is my channel, Global Tongue, and in this channel we talk about communication. So today I'm here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is how far. So we'll be learning how to use how far, because I often hear people whenever they use how far, they don't use it nicely. Like the sentence structure is not good. So today I'll teach you how to do it nicely. Alright? And it will be a global format, guys. So before I start off with how far, so let me explain it first of all. So how far is, so whenever we talk about distance, so we have to use how far, because how far means distance. And the next word is from. From means origin. Alright, so whenever we are using how far, we need to make sure that we are using from as well. So from means origin, alright, and how far is the distance. So I have a question here. The question is, how far is your home from Dehradun? So how far is your home from Dehradun? So how far means distance, from means origin. So the question says, how far is your home from Dehradun? So how would we reply? So we would be replying this way. My home is, let's say, 60 kilometers away from Dehradun. So the question was, how far is your home from Dehradun? So my home is, you could also use around here. So my home is around, my home is 60 kilometers away from Dehradun. So we need to make sure that we are using away, alright, here. So the same way, the next question could be, how far, let's say, how far is your office from your home? From your home. So the question is, how far is your office from your home? So distance, from means origin. So how do you reply? So you reply, my office is, let's say, 15 kilometers. My office 15 kilometers. You could also use far away from my home, or my office is 15 kilometers far away from my home. So here, far away from my home. So my office is 15 kilometers far away from my home. And the first question, how far is your home from here? So my home, how far is your home from Dehradun? My home is 16 kilometers away. Or you could also use far as well. That's up to you. So this is for first, So now, what if we want to ask to third person? So we could say, how far is Mohan's house from his workplace? So Mohan's house is, let's say, 30 kilometers far away from his home. Alright? So I hope you guys you may have liked my video. So if you have liked my video, kindly like, subscribe and share. Alright? And see you in the next video. Bye bye.